Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The immense vast fields adorned by the Buddha are equal in number to all atoms. Pure children of Buddha fill them all, reigning the inconceivable, most sublime teaching. As in this assembly we see the Buddha sitting, so it is in every atom. The Buddha body has no coming or going, and clearly appears in all the lands there are. Demonstrating the practices cultivated by enlightening beings, the various techniques of innumerable approaches to their stages, expounding as well the inconceivable truth, he causes the Buddha children to enter the realm of reality, producing phantom Buddhas numerous as atoms, corresponding to the inclinations of all beings' minds, the expedient doors into the profound realm of truth. Boundlessly vast, all he expands. The Buddha's names are equal to the worlds, filling all lands in the 10 directions. None of his methods are employed in vain. He tames sentient beings and purifies all. The Buddha, in every atom, displays infinite great mystic powers. Sitting in each on the enlightenment site, he speaks of past Buddhas' enlightening deeds. All immense eons of past, present, and future, Buddha reveals in every instant. All the events of their formation and decay, his inconceivable knowledge comprehends. The congregation of Buddha's children is endlessly vast, but though they try together to fathom Buddha's state, the teachings of the Buddhas have no bounds. To thoroughly know them all is most difficult. Buddhas, like space, without discrimination, equal to the real cosmos, with no resting place. Phantom manifestations circulate everywhere, all sitting on enlightenment sites, attaining true awareness. Buddha teaches widely, with wonderful voice. All stages of enlightenment are thoroughly clear. Appearing before each sentient being, he gives all the Buddhas equal truth.